today I'm gonna show you how you can permanently delete Google search history from your computer as well as from Google account. This is a very simple trick and you can use this trick in any browser, whether you use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. The trick will remain same in the all browsers. Here I am taking the example of Google Chrome. So first you have to open a Google Chrome browser, then you have to press Ctrl Shift and Delete button from your keyboard. Once you press the Ctrl Shift Delete button on your keyboard, you will get a pop-up for choosing the option to clear your browsing data. Here the options are the past hour, the past day, the past week, the last 4 weeks, the beginning of time. You have to choose the time frame from which you have to delete the data. So here I am choosing the beginning of time and tapping the clear browsing data button. So now here all the entire history from Google Chrome browser has been deleted. So now there is no history in Google Chrome browser. Now the second option is that you have to delete the Google search history from your Google account. So what you have to do is you have to open a Google website, google.co.in, then tap to settings button and then click on history button. Here you can see the signed out search activities on. It means whatever you search on Google website from this browser is saved in your Google account which you have signed in. So if you turned it off, then if you have logged in your Google account and searching anything on google.com website, the search history will not be saved in your Google account. But if the activity is on like this, that means if you have signed in on your account, then Google search history will be recorded in your Google account. So here I am going to show you how you can delete the entire search history from your Google account. So before doing that, you will have to sign in your Google account. So here I am going to sign in on my Google account. Click on sign in button and type your username and password credentials to open your Google account, right? Now here you will have to click on my activity. So click on go to my activity button. Then you will see here the search history. Whatever I search is in the list. So first you have to tap delete activity by. Here you will get so many different options that you have to select to delete the history. So here you can see that today is the option. If you want to delete the history of today, so you will have to choose this option and click on delete button. If you have to delete yesterday's history, then you have to select yesterday and click on delete button. So you can choose last 7 days, last 30 days and all time, and even you have the custom option. So in the custom options you have to specify the after and before date to delete the entire history. If you want to delete the entire history of all time, then you have to select all time and click on delete button. Here all the search activity from your Google account will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to recover those searches from your Google account. So before deleting all the history from your Google account, be sure that you want to delete the entire history. So click on delete button and all the activities have been deleted from your account. So this is it. This is the trick that you have to use to delete the entire history from your Google account. And before that, I have already told you about how you can delete the entire search history from your computer. So this is just a simple trick. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Techies Digest so that you can get the more interesting and technical videos. Thank you for watching this video.